We have so many that the plant is actually leaning over. So we're going to help with that by harvesting them. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're out in the garden and we're doing our usual morning walkthrough. I changed the solution in my injector to feed my plants, so we've gotten that accomplished off screen. We're going to go ahead and see what we need to harvest. So we're going to go ahead and start in pepper row, and as we get closer to some of the plants, you'll see what happens if you don't water every single day. A couple of plants down on the end are really wilted. So I have the sprinkler running now. Hopefully that will help them and relieve their stress that they're under. So we're going to start here and harvest my peppers here. We have so many that the plant is actually leaning over. So we're going to help with that by harvesting them. Okay, we're going to go down this row, and this pepper is a Moruga scorpion. So we're going to get all the ones that are ready. Okay, this one here is a Moruga red scorpion. So we're going to get all of the ones here, and a lot of the plant is leaning over because of it. So I'm going to bring you closer to my Scotch bonnets and some other peppers that I have down on this end. Just so I watered these on Saturday. I didn't water them yesterday. And you can see what happens by skipping a day. They are very wilted, especially this one. But as I said before, hopefully, with them being watered now, they'll spring back to life. Okay, the ones that I'm cutting right now are the orange maruga. Found a couple that have been sun spoiled. Surprised I haven't found more. And here's what we have thus far. And we have one more plant to go through. And this one really looks very, very, very sad. But as I said before, hopefully it will spring back once it gets good soaking. And here's what we got from there. So here in tomato row, we have a few tomatoes that we're going to get from this plant. They have split some, but we're going to go ahead and harvest these anyway. And here we have a couple of my Romas that are blushing. Okay, I don't see any more ripe over here. We're going to go and try to get some cucumbers and some more tomatoes from farther down. Hey, my cucumber patch is looking rather sad. I did plant more seeds on some beta alpha, Socrates, I believe it was, and hopefully they will germinate and start growing. So we have a few that are on these vines here, so we're going to go ahead and get those. So we have one that looks like it's starting to blush here. So we're going to take that off. And I may have some worms or something around because I see worm poop, but I don't see any worms just yet. Okay, I don't see any that are blushing anymore that are blushing here. So let's go over to the VGO bed. So this vine is a complete mess. So before we do any harvesting, I'm going to try to trim it up some. So we did a lot of pruning in this bed, and it looks a lot better. We have tomatoes, but none that are ready to be picked just yet, or none that are blushing. So we're going to leave everything as is. In the green stalk here, I have to water the tomatoes. I'm sorry, the strawberries again. Down around the strawberries, it looks like we have some of these Italian squash ready. So we're going to go ahead and do those. So here's our harvest for today. In this, we have lots of peppers, a few tomatoes that we got off camera. Here we have the squash, the Italian squash, and we also have what I believe is a cusha squash. We have cucumbers, we have more tomatoes, and we have some eggplant. Overall, a very productive harvest, and the backyard grocery store continues to produce even in all this heat and the dog days of summer. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.